So queen doesn't run free after the clear. Part of the hive, separate coverage. It's a little bee friend. Like and subscribe. This one's staying with me. Oh, I said that one.
Okay, I just recorded this, but I wasn't hitting the record button the whole time. Basically, my partner and I, for our seminar project, we are interviewing a bunch of local beekeepers. We have our own hive at his grandparents' house. He bought these bees, and that's why we had to put on the suits and all that. I'm an astronaut. We had to introduce them to the hive, introduce the queen to the hive and all that, so that's where they live.
Yeah, they seem pretty active for the most part. And they've stayed right where they were supposed to be. So
Yes,
that's a
I'm
good
glad.
thing, too. Yeah, you and me both.
How you doing up there?
Doing great.
Okay.
Oh yeah, she loves my Manny.
See all the bees? Yeah,
They're all happy.
dude.
They're all happy.
No floppy bees.
A few floppy bees.
Oh, yeah. Win some, lose some.
Close up of the bees.
Yeah. Put.
You're so round. Not expecting.
No, the bees. Hear the bees? Hear them?
He's scared of the bees.
Have you ever seen E.T.?
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm an astronaut. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Take this off.
I hope I zipped this up correctly.
Yeah, hope so. It's not how the video entailed it, huh? There we go.
Got a nice handful of them out.
So this is the queen right here. Need to get that cork out somehow. That's what that is for. There we go. So now the queen is in the hive. Gotta make sure it's not facing the entrance. Put the queen right down in there. Now this is the part where it's fun. You get to shake the bees. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now we just introduce the rest of the bees into the hive. It's not graceful by any means.
It's like that.
And we put the hive back together.
Like this.
Think we should put more in?
I mean, yeah, I think that unless these were all dead ones. No, there's a lot.
They tend to leave. Queen is nice and secure in there. Oh, good. I'm glad that you noticed that. So queen's right down in there. Secure both hive tops on it. Just place this box right here and allow the rest of the bees to find their way into the hive. Yeah, then we wait an hour and hope that the rest of the bees find their way to the hive. If not, we'll shake them again.
Didn't make it.
So in the process of them moving into the hive, we're seeing some very good signs. They're already bringing out the dead bees from inside the hive, which is a sign of them actually making it their home, establishing their existence here.
There's just this huge clump here that's just not moving.
Use your hand.
What?
Try to scoop them out.
Like, get in there.
Alright, so at this point, we put the hive limiter on, and it keeps that hive warm, allows only a certain amount of bees to come and go. And this is also the feeder, since there's no vegetation for them to pollinate and get pollen from, they need a source of energy, which is just sugar water, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. And that just slides right in there. That's just the hive limiter. It only allows a few to come in and out at a time. Helps establish them living inside the hive instead of the shipping container. This is the setup of our beehive. It's a little bee friend. Bee friendly.
Be positive. Be positive. Like and subscribe.
This one's staying with me. Oh, I set that one up.